guys, so I ordered these Boat earphones and let's see how it turns out. I've been using my old earplugs which I got with my phone. I've been using a Motorola phone before. So let's see, I'll open these up. This is how it's packed and how it looks. So let's see, I'll just open these. These are available for I think 1000 rupees, but on Amazon you can get them for around 600 rupees. Yeah, I have an Amazon link in the description below where you can buy them. And yeah, then is there anything inside it? No, it's not. It's empty. And these are the plugs. Oh, these are really nice. These are extra earplugs that I got. Sorry, earbuds. There are a lot of them actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think around 5 pairs. 5 extra pairs. Different sizes, of course. And let's see. Okay. Why is it not focusing? So these are the plugs. I've got one extra clip in here as well, so that's nice, and it's got a pretty long cable. And I'll just try them on and see how these sound, and I'll get back to you with the review of the sound. So guys, I'm back. I just heard like a few songs on these, and these are pretty awesome. The bass is really nice. I actually liked it. I don't think you get this quality of sound in earphones in a budget like this. So these actually cost me around 600 rupees, and from Amazon. I got them from Amazon. I have a description in the link below. I have a link in the description below, and you could totally just check it out and order one for you if you like, because I think these are the best earphones with that kind of a bass in this product range. So I think you'll love them. I totally loved these. I wasn't really expecting this, but yeah, these are pretty cool. So even I like the fact it's got an extra clip, 5 pairs for and whatever. And then you have this guy. You will totally love them, especially if you love listening to music and are not willing to spend a lot of money on really high quality earphones, especially if like you're a person who easily loses them. I do, so I really need a lot of earphones really quickly, but I think I'm gonna try to keep them for as long as possible because I really like them. And I've got a black color, but I think they had at least 4 to 5 different color options, including blue, red, and I think some neon color and a lot of colors. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. Thank you.